In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve comments in Canva, a skill that can significantly enhance your collaborative design workflow. Whether you're working on a solo project or part of a larger team, resolving comments seamlessly is key to efficient communication and keeping your project moving forward. Now, the first thing you need to do after opening your design in Canva is to locate the comment you wish to resolve. Comments in Canva are essential when working collaboratively, as they allow team members to provide feedback directly on the design. Once you find the comment, click on it. It's as simple as that. Clicking on the comment allows you to access the full thread of feedback associated with that specific annotation, making sure you have all the context you need to take action. After you've clicked on your chosen comment, the next step is to hover over it. As you hover, you'll notice a subtle change. Canva is designed to be responsive, and this slight interaction can help ensure you're focused on the correct comment, especially when there are multiple annotations. It serves as a useful feature, particularly when navigating through a cluttered design with numerous feedback points. Now that you're certain you're hovering over the correct comment, look for the check icon. This icon is the key to resolving a comment. Within the Canva interface, the check icon is meant to clearly signify the completion of a task or acknowledgement of a suggestion. By clicking on this icon, you indicate that the feedback has been addressed, either by making a change or deciding that no change is necessary. Clicking resolves the comment, which effectively clears it from the open list of annotations, marking it as completed in the project timeline. It's worth noting that resolving comments not only declutters your design space, but also signals to your team members that their input has been seen and considered. This creates an efficient feedback loop, enhancing the collaborative process, and ensuring that everyone is aligned and informed as the project progresses. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily manage and resolve comments in Canva, facilitating a smoother, more organized design process. Next time you're working with teammates or even reviewing your own designs, remember how powerful resolving comments can be to keep everything on track. Happy designing!